Yes, YouTube, what's happening? Lee Pyro back again with another upload for you guys. But before we get into this, guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification button. Seeing as you guys like the Destroyer vs Royal Crown by Gemstone Rockets I done the other night, the Firework King Destroyer and Gemstone Rocket Royal Crown, I thought we'll have another little versus shootout type of thing again tonight. So we've got Crackling Fountain by Klasek, and we've got 13-inch Lava Blast by Gemstone. Both fountains are packing 350 grams of NEC on the dot, both of them, guys. So this should really be interesting. So with no further ado, we'll start getting ready to light up, guys. Oh yeah, and by the way, big shout out to Rich down at Vivid Fireworks. Finally, I've seen the Asylum Barrage Pack in stores. Finally. Thank you for that, mate. I really can't wait to get my hands on it and review it. So yeah, without any further ado, we'll get into this, guys. Yeah, I can't wait to review it, Rich. So shouts out to you on that one, pal. They're finally here. Right, so we've got 13-inch lava, 13-inch lava. Oh, you know what? We'll put one here and one here. Yeah. So we've got Crackling, 350 grams, and a 13-inch Lava Blast, 350 grams. Let's go. Oops. Let's go, people. That pissed all over Gemstone's one to me, personally. Gemstone's still going, good duration on it. Me personally, I take that back what I just said. The Gemstone absolutely blew out the Crackling lava. Gemstone, 13-inch Lava Blast, absolutely knocked it out of the park and pissed all over the Crackling by Klasek. I have to say that. They're both 350 grams of NEC, and Lava Blast was like I was in an absolute fucking war zone, mate. Excuse my French, I don't normally swear, but I was so gobsmacked by that. And Crackling by Klasek, yeah, you let me down there, mate. But you did go good, and you was good height. Lava Blast, you did start off slow, but you got there in the end and then blew it out of the park. So yeah, guys, like I always say, please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification button, because we've got plenty more videos like that coming. Peace out, people.